let's read the line.
All right, you want me to read it?
The show is entertainment,
edutainment, viewed for your
education,
no, and
entertainment
purposes, not
to be taken
as financial
advice, as
I do not know your
personal financial
situation. Yeah! Disclaimer read.
And now you find this along the way. You're going to find me along the way, probably.
Ooh.
And you have to spot how many Calinas there are. I call these lions. So if you can find these lions along the way, you could comment how many there are after.
Okay. Let's get on to the intro. Oh, we got to pause this. They're probably picking up that sound. Sorry. And
welcome, Social Media Road. I'm Carolyn Lou, Alfred Gordon Lou, and this is 8 at 8. And 8 starts right now.
boom! Intro done. Thank you very much.
But like right now, this doesn't count.
Doesn't count. All right, everybody. We are talking about TikTok 20. These are the 20 companies we're following all year long. Specifically today, we're looking at Sherwin-Williams, ticker symbol SHW, part of the materials sector in the S&P 500, known as XLB. So let's get to it. If you're an investor, you should probably look at the wonderful underlying company right here. Some of you traders don't really care about looking at this. You're just looking at price action. But for you investors, you should probably do a little research on your company as well as financials, all right? Or fundamental research. But you came here for the charts, so let's get to it. Let's take a look at the charts. If you are a positional trader, that means you're buying, you're holding for the long term. You would have got out on this stock back in January. And it's still the case. I would still say you're out into money market, avoiding any losses or drops. Again, in February, the sellers took control. They are just pulling the market down, but you can see that the sellers are kind of coming back. The price action is coming back. And let's take a look at the other one, the MACD. This is the momentum. It actually dropped down in February, and it's been holding pretty flat, as you guys can see. Hi.
Daddy, I need to go poo.
Oh, on the show? You go and I'll change you later, okay?
Go on the show.
She's going on the show. Sorry, everybody. But if you're a swing trader, let's take a look. So positional traders, you're out. It is making its way back. And then momentum traders, here we go. Let's take a look if we can take a look at Bollinger Bands and then RSI and MACD as well. Oh my goodness, we have a hat, a beautiful. I tip my hat to you traders. You swing traders trying to get momentum here. Let's take a look. At the very top side, I would actually have to say this would be the time to kind of get out as might have a swing. Do you think it's hit a bottom? It's definitely at the top range of the volatility as it's at the top range of those Bollinger Bands. I want to show you this. So this would be a perfect time for you momentum traders to get out. Look, you're already having weakness today. It is a selling day. The VIX is up. Let's take a look at the power. I would have to say power is flat to dropping, but the momentum is still high. So let's see if we can take that one. There you go. The momentum is still high, so it could still drive it up a little bit higher. You haven't seen that crossover, but as soon as you see that MACD crossover, I would say for sure taking profits. No, it's at the top end of the Bollinger Band. So you swing traders, get your trigger fingers ready as you are watching this already, RSI, the weakness drop. And then you're watching this for the crossover to see if it crosses over, and then you're out like that, or if this turns red. Boom. Done. So you wonderful swing traders, you're looking to get out and take advantage of this backswing to the upside. So you're watching the dip as it takes a breath, it goes back into consolidation, and then expansion again. So let's see what can move the markets, because we are just tick-tocking and rocking here. Sherwin-Williams, a wonderful company. I think most of the paint in the world comes from them. They also do a lot of industry. They just had their earnings report. So we were expecting, I'm covering up here, Sherwin-Williams, April 26th. We're expecting 155. That's the reason why it jumped up, because they actually reported Catalina's hands in there. They're at 1.61, giving us a nice little surprise as that little popple's going there.
When I'm talking, it doesn't count.
And let's take a look at economic calendar. So earnings call can move a stock. So it's moved it to the upside potential. Let's see what else can move it further, give it some more wind under its sail. If I'm looking at the economic calendar today, there isn't a lot for the U.S. except for GDP, gross domestic product. How much are we kind of making? How much are we producing? So we got prices, we got jobs, we got sales of GDP. And I'll keep on moving off frame, but all that kind of reports at 12:30 Eastern time. I believe that's 9:30 our time. That's when we're going to see some swings. And of course, earnings calls are happening all day. I forgot to mention this, but earnings calls, look at that. There's 359. Apple, some other big names, and Bristol Myers Squibb. I should have took a look at how many material ones were going off. But big day, lots of earnings, so it's going to be a lot of choppy volatility. In the news, that's Sherwin-Williams right here. It's definitely bucking the trend. It's moving up. Not many things are. And then, I don't know why that's stalling. Everybody's questioning, are you going to buy or hold this? So let's take a look at you intraday traders. That means people that do want to scalp. So remember, we are getting a little bit of upswing. We are in this up and down cycle right now. It just had an expansion. So let's take a look at the markets right here at the intraday level. For those of you who are scalping, we'll take the lows, we'll take the highs, and as you can see, it's peaked off some. Oh, wait, we're on the wrong tab here. Hold on. Tab. We're going with this one.
You can't see me.
Nope. Yeah. No. That's the intraday.
That's the wrong tab.
Here we go. So we took a low, we took a high, and now we got a Fibonacci right here, giving us some predictive qualities. What I'm seeing is that you're in the top range of here. It hit almost a double top right here. So I'm going to highlight that red for you. 1 and 2 circles. You'll see it hit that top. It hit that top. That's it. That's called the double top. One yesterday hit that top, today hit that top, headed towards the downside. So I would say that's a pretty strong ceiling at 248. And you wonderful sellers, it's going back down to the downside. I would say if it breaks below this 275, actually look, you see a triple bottom right here, 276, I would say. And then your next level of support is 274. For you scalpers for today, you're moving to the downside. I would say definitely here, 276. Your stop is at 274 for this wonderful swing as it goes up and down, up and down. So, oh, I forgot to put a green little thing there. So here you are. Oh man, I should just zoom in here. Hold on, let's zoom in. So it looks a little clearer. So this is what it looks like for the day. Usually I like to, oh, it's still kind of far. That's a little bit better. And then let's do it like that. There you go. So you're definitely in this Fibonacci range right here. You got a top there. You had a top there. I'm looking at this is a strong floor. And then you're looking at your out. I'm going to put another green. You're going to take your profits right here at 274. Just look at that. Perfect. All right, you swing traders. That's your plan for today. How much time we got left? Zero time. What's that spread? That's a 284. I'm coming, Momoy. 274 to 270. That's a $10 spread you're looking at today. Is it swinging that much? No, it's swinging $1. Yeah, it is $1. $5. That's a $5 swing.
That's not really a big swing.
$5 not a big swing? Here.
Okay. I also...
Here, you can take over. I'm going to check Momoy.
If you also seen Among Us, a colored Among Us, tell me what color it is. Comments. How much? How many cats up there, like me, in it, and also see how many of these guys. There's one on my dad's head, shoulder. Sometimes they fall down. When I'm talking, it doesn't count. Just to let you know when I'm in the video. Right now, doesn't count because I am saying something here. I don't know what to do. Okay, so what do you want to do? I don't know what I should do. So I'm not sure. What do you want? I'm not sure what I want to do. Okay? I'm just too low. I need to be. Don't worry, I'm out of the video right now. It's coming back up. Oh, sorry. This is a bad chair. If you know what we were talking about today, because I can't read that, I'm only in grade 1. Could you comment that what we were talking about today? Because I don't know. I don't know what to do. Bye-bye.
Is it done?
Nope. Only.
20 seconds. Stand up.
Hey, you're taking me out of the chair.
I am kicking you out of the chair. Mama, come here. Woo. We did it. What'd you do? You go?
You go. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. You go. Peace out. Peace out. Good night.